this video, we're going to write the equation in standard form for an ellipse centered at the origin. It says, what is the standard form equation of the ellipse that has vertices plus and minus 5, 0, and foci plus and minus 3, 0? When I look and see that they say vertices are plus and minus 5, 0, the vertices are always on the major axis. So that means that I have, if I draw this coordinate plane, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a vertice here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a vertice here. All right, this is 0 or 5, 0, and this is negative 5, 0. Now, if these are the two vertices, then this is the longest side. So my shape for the ellipse should look like this, which would be a horizontal ellipse. So we know we have a horizontal oriented ellipse. Now the foci are plus 3, so we got a foci here and we got a foci right there. So I can say that these are foci. And I'm going to use both the vertices and the foci to find, I need to find the other two co-vertices on the minor axis. My equation that I'm going to use here is x squared over, I got x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared. And the reason that I have this equation is because this is the equation for a horizontal ellipse when a is greater than b. So we've got the longest side a being with the x-axis here, that x squared piece. So what I can do is say that this 5 here, so I can say 5 is equal to a, and actually we'll just say plus and minus 5 is equal to a. If I square each side, I get a squared is equal to the square of plus and minus 5, which it doesn't matter if you take 5 squared or negative 5 squared, you still end up with 25. So a squared is 25. Now remember, there's a foci equation that says we have c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. The foci equation can be used now. If I have a squared, I have this part of the formula, I just need to find b squared. I can find that by using this equation. So the foci, so this was positive 3, so I can say that c is equal to 3, or negative 3. So c squared would actually be 9 is equal to 25 minus b squared. Let's go ahead and subtract 25 on each side. We get negative 16 is equal to negative b squared. Divide by a negative, you get 16 is equal to b squared. So now we know what b squared is, and we can substitute that in there. We have a squared, or x squared over 25, which is a squared. And then we have plus y squared over 16, and that's equal to 1. So this is the equation for this horizontal ellipse, and that's the third option here.